Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make a cactus arrangement. If you can see, so this is what I'll be using. This is a 8-inch pot with small hole at the bottom and a saucer. And I will be using this cactus right here and this one. So the cactus, I got it from Home Depot. There's another one and this one. Okay, and also I will be using a cactus mix. This one, a Miracle Grow cactus mix. I'm not sure, I haven't decided yet which one I'll be using, the sand or the stone, the white stone for the top. And I will be using this before I'm gonna put the stone or sand. I'm just gonna use this to kind of separate the potting mix or the soil from the stone. Alright, so let's get started. I forget to mention this one because I don't like using gloves when I repot or planting or working in the garden. I know it's good to use one, but I'm not used to it. So I'm just removing it from the pot and see how I'm gonna like them arrange. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this to get them out because like I said, I don't like using a glove, so I'm just gonna use this. Do it like that. And so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use 3 maybe or 4. Okay, so maybe 4. So 1 over there. I don't know if I have enough space for the other one right here. Well, I guess we can try. So I like the tall. If I have a larger pot, I like the tall in the center just to arrange them. And this one, I want the tall together. So I think I like it like that. Yep, I think so. I think that's good. And then just move it a little bit like that. So if you have a spoon, that would help to kind of settle the soil around it. then we'll just have to push the soil down to keep everything in place. Okay, now I'm just going to brush the cactus to get rid of the soil, and if you have a smaller brush to get the every nook and cranny, that's good. So this is a very fine brush just to clean the cactus. Okay, so that's good. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this around it. Okay. Okay, so if you can see right here, this is a lawn fabric, if you're wondering. Maybe I'll go with the sand right here. There you go. Okay, so I'm just using a spoon here. You can see that. All right, I think I am done. So dun, 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 all right, we are done. So this is my DIY cactus arrangements in the sand. So this is like resemble cactus in the desert. So I have my mini desert here. All right, so this is my DIY cactus arrangement. There you go. So this is my cactus arrangement. My cactus arrangements is my cactus mix.